Imagine this. You put your hard-earned money in a jar under your bed. 10 years later, you open that jar and realize your money can't buy even half of what it used to. That's inflation. Silent, invisible, and constantly eating away at your savings. Most people don't notice it day to day. Prices go up a little here, a little there. Coffee costs 20 cents more. Your favorite snack shrinks in size but costs the same. No big deal, right? But over years, inflation snowballs. That tiny leak in your financial boat eventually sinks it. Here's a shocking fact. If inflation averages 7% a year, your money loses half its value in just 10 years. Meaning, what cost you $100 today could cost $200 in a decade. That's how fast inflation erodes purchasing power. Now here's the trap. If your money is sitting in a regular savings account, earning, say, 2% interest, while inflation is 6%, you're actually losing 4% of your wealth every single year. It feels safe because the number in your account doesn't go down, but the value behind that number is slipping away. Think of it like ice. Put a block of ice on the table. It looks solid, but slowly, drop by drop, it melts. That's your savings against inflation. Looks the same, but it's disappearing. And the crazy part is, inflation hits ordinary people the hardest. The wealthy own assets, stocks, real estate, businesses that often grow faster than inflation. But the average saver, they're left holding melting ice. So what's the solution? You can't fight inflation by hiding money in a jar. You fight it by putting your money to work. Assets that grow over time, investments that outpace inflation, even learning new skills that boost your income is a weapon against it. Here's the brutal truth. Saving money alone won't make you rich. In fact, if you only save, inflation guarantees you'll get poorer every year. So next time you think you're being safe by just saving, remember, inflation is silently draining your future. If this opened your eyes, hit the like button. Subscribe for more simple money truths the world doesn't want you to know. And never forget, the real danger isn't losing your money. It's losing what your money can buy.